Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this short tutorial, I'm going to cover one simple yet very powerful and important Flutter web concept. So here it goes. For example, here, if you hover over your mouse, you see that, okay, there is a circular background, right? And of course, this is clickable. Now, there's this button over here as well. Now, if we click on this button, actually, it's also clickable and it takes us to a new page. But the thing is that over here, if we just hover over our mouse, we see that circular background. Even though this is also a clickable button, but we don't see the circular background. Why not? The idea is that we mostly tend to use gesture detector. So if you do use gesture detector, you might not get this kind of circular background when you hover over your mouse on Flutter web. So to do that, you need to replace the gesture detector with IconButton. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we go, IconButton. And since here we are using IconButton, instead of on tap, we're going to use on pressed. And over here, instead of child, we're going to use icon. Now that's it. Now after that, I'm going to restart my application. So let me go ahead and save, and my application would restart. And as you can see that it's restarting and done. Now since the restarting is done, let's see over here. So we do see the circular background, and over here we will also see that, okay, yes, there's also a circular background. So this way it makes your app more clickable and user knows that where to click, where not to click. Thank you.